The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP warns purveyors of fake news, particularly those spreading fake photos of bills, that they will be investigated or arrested in accordance with law. The recent social media posts that contained a fictitious photo of a 10,000 peso bill prompted the central bank to act on the matter. The BSP sought help from the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI to run after individuals spreading misinformation or photos of defaced Philippine currencies on social media for entertainment. The banknotes in circulation are 1,000 peso, 500 peso, 200 peso, 100 peso, 50 peso, and 20 peso denominations only.